So now let's see how we can work around with ocean modifier inside of Blender. So in order to work around with ocean modifier, I'm going to select out this cube right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around into the modifier properties right here, and I'm going to add a modifier. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in this modifier called ocean, and what happens is that it generates this ocean, as you can see. I can also go into the rendering mode, and this is how it actually looks, as you can see right here. So now there's the repeat option right here, which allows you to create multiple copies of the ocean, just like this, as you can see. Let me just go around and then pull up the light right here, just like this, so that you can see that this is how it looks. Let me just go around into the regular shading mode so that you can actually see this. So now what you can do is you can go around and then change the options. So you can select the ocean right here. And if I were to go around, you can work around with the repeat right here to increase out the amount. You can work around with the resolution right here, just like this, as you can see right here. And you can also work around with the time that actually changes out this out. I'm just going to go around and then have 2x2 repeat right here. So it's not very heavy, just like this. So this is what you have. So as I increase the time, you can see that it actually changes around as if the water is moving afloat right here as an ocean would. You can also work around with the depth right here, with the spatial size right here, with seeds right here, so that you can see that you can randomize that out. On the wave, we can work around with the scale of the wave, as you can see right here. You can increase and decrease the wave detail right here, just like this, by the choppiness of the wave, or make it smooth right here, the wind and so forth, alignment as well. And that is how you can work around with different options, as you can see right here. So there's different sort of options that you can work around with over here. So as I increase the time, you can see that this is how it actually looks. So it is actually looking as if the water is being waved out in the sea, just like that. So that is how you can work around with the ocean modifier inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.